Today, we're going to bring a car jump starter. Now, this is a great device if you're in the middle of nowhere and you're pretty much your battery dies out or your car doesn't want to start. You might want to carry something like this. This is very unique little item. I'll show you other things they could do. Not just jump start your car, but it also has a couple other things. So this is made to have an emergency keep in your car. It comes with a compass. If you guys can see, the compass is right at top. There's a power button right in front of it here. Now, the best thing about it, you just feel a lot of weight in the back. Is because look at this in the bottom. All right, this is a piece of metal, and it's to shatter or break a window if, say, your car flips over or you fall into water. Hopefully that will never happen. But this is a great advice that just snap it, hit it out, break automatically. So I like this part of it. I didn't know what it was first. I was looking into it, but it's actually made for that. So you can keep this underneath your seat as a backup, and also it's a security feature too. So you never know what could happen. Now they also have an LED light. So I'm gonna turn it on right now. We're powering up. We're 80%. But if you hold down the button, it turns on the LED light. All right. And then if you click on it again, it becomes an emergency signal. And then you hit it, it goes faster, and then pretty much a solid. And it, like I said, starts again. So you hold it down and it turns off. Now, that is pretty awesome that you could set up on your side of the road. If you have a flat or something, you want to make sure you want to deter other cars, detours other cars to go other directions. This is a way to do it. It's a very proper way. I like it that in case of emergency, just have it and just flat sit it down there, pointing out to the direction of the cars are coming. So really unique item. I like this. This is very durable. You could drop it. It's water resistance. You could drop it in it because it has these covers so if you're out in the rain or snow, you don't have to worry about moisture because it's well protected. Now, this one direction here is actually for where you have to actually plug in the actual negative and positive direction for your battery, right? As soon as you plug it in, it indicates a little light indicating that it's ready to start, right? On your car, then you kickstart it and you get a couple of tries. You get around 6 or 7 tries before this thing dries out dead, right? So be assured that, make sure you charge this. And there's a couple of ways you could charge it too. Now, I like that to give you the case, and you can save everything. The instructions are in the case, of course. The case itself is very beautiful. You could hold off a bunch of other things besides not just the cable itself. They give you a power adapter to charge it up, of course, And then on the other side, there's a couple other features here. On this side, there's a couple input outputs so you could charge other devices, all right? There's a Type-C. Now on Type-C, you can charge it this way through Type-C, or you can actually use the AC adapter, right? Now, these two are out. It's actually to charge items out. So with the same actual cable that it comes with the Type-A to Type-C, you could change them around. So Type-C, you could plug it in here and then plug this into your laptop or any kind of power source or power this thing up. Now, if you want to power other items, you could just do this or plug it in here. And then you could grab your cell phone. Then you can plug it in here, and then we can plug in the cell phone. So we're just going to charge the cell phone. So this is Type-C cell phone. And I'm just going to charge to show you. So make sure you turn it on, all right? We turn it on 80%, and then we just plug it in, and you can see it charging. And you could see how much voltage is actually left behind on this system too at the end of the day. So you could carry this around with you anywhere, take it in a pocket or a purse. Travels, it's perfect to travel. You could charge other items, not just the phone, but you could charge other items besides that, as long as you have a USB, any output, of course. And then the best thing I like about this thing is it's portable with the bag itself. So I'm going to put it to a test and see what you guys think about it. So let's take a look. All right, when you're ready to power the actual battery, it's very simple. You basically just have to put black and black and red and red. So right now I have this red here, so this will go on this side. I will just grip it here, and then the other one I'm going to grip in here, right? So right now, unfortunately, I have full battery. I'm not going to be able to demonstrate, but it's very simple to just grab on like this. Make sure you don't make a mistake or you're going to get sparks. Make sure that red is red. Now to set it up, it's simple. It's basic. This is facing up, because you can't mess up. There's an actual square in there. So keep these away from each other first of all, right? When you keep these away from each other, do not touch them or maybe grip them first. So keep them away from each other. Once you do that contact, right, we're gonna keep them away. You basically just open the slot here, and you gotta push it in. And once you push it in, if you guys can see, it's ready to go. So right now we're live. But before that, you could just plug them in first, and then you could plug this in and then start it up. So right now, if you guys can see, it's ready to take the charge right now. I got 85% on this thing, but let me take this out and we're gonna be safe, just to be safe. So this thing comes out with a lot of great features. At night, like I said, the flashlight, this thing right here, I love this thing. This is an emergency. You could break windows and stuff like that. And this is very powerful, very strong, durable.